Happy Tuna! It's good for children and doesn't consume food. The old one can digest this food easily and it's perfect for people on the go. So it's perfect for everyone! The health benefits of Happy Tuna include blood pressure lowering, coronary heart disease prevention, and Alzheimer's disease prevention. And it's because it has omega-3 DHA, which is good for the heart, and it has protein and low on cholesterol, so you can enjoy eating healthy. Happy Tuna is made especially for health-conscious people who doesn't want to offend the taste of their food. So why look further? It only costs 15 pesos on available and service store and convenience stores. Buy now!